Hey y'all, it's Kristen, and what you're looking at is my new way to store my ink. I saw a few years ago, I don't know, someone's craft room tour. They used an old cassette holder to hold their ink. So I got on eBay, of course, and this is a vintage cassette holder, and it works really well. So I've just got it. I use those command Velcro things that holds up like picture frames or whatever to put it on the wall. It's not very heavy at all, and the inks aren't very heavy either, so I think the maximum weight's like 12 pounds for those things, but it worked really well. Okay, so I'm going to cover you up and put you back on the thing so I can show you the rest of the haul. Oh, Lord. Hang on. Okay. Make sure I'm in the frame here. Okay, I think I am. I have stuff from scrapbook.com, eBay. One more thing from eBay. I have a Noel Mignon kit. And is that all? Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, this first. This is a vintage thing from eBay. This is from the 1940s. I think it's from 1943. Yeah, but these are war ration books with the stamps in them. One of them's empty, but the rest of them have the actual stamps in them. There. And then these. But I think they're really cool. And the history behind these, you know, is sad, but also interesting. I have these. I think these have planes on them. All of these are different in this book. And that one has something that looks like a ship, I think. And then a tank. And whatever that thing is. I was going to say the name of it. I'm almost sure I know what that is, but I'm not. And then, yeah, this one's blank. So, I just thought I would show you that. Candy and I got, each got a set of these. Alright, next thing. We've got some stuff from scrapbook.com. I was really excited. I love Maggie Holmes and her new collection called Flourish. I saw it the other day, and it's really pretty. So I'm going to show this and the papers first. So here are the stickers. I think it says that there's 139 in this package. That's including the alphabet. Okay. And then the papers. Opening. Okay. Very, very pretty. That's the back. And this one I love. Hopefully I'm not too close. Hang on, I can't get my fingers to work. Back's yellow. And this one. And the back is pink. Excuse me. We have this one. I love this one. I got the new, well, it's not new. For me, it's new. Mrs. Coggs, the yellow one. I can't remember what the digital kit's called. Yellow in the Garden or something. But I thought this would go good. I also saw Charlene Sherrod use that digital kit, and she used dark blue with it, like a cobalt. It was gorgeous. Very gorgeous. This one's really pretty too. Got that color. And these are just, there's just one of each of these, so I'm not sure what that's about. I thought there was supposed to be two each, but who knows. And then this one, look at that. Let me hold it up so you can kind of see. Beautiful. And then I have a piece of acetate right here that I'm going to leave on this right here so you can actually see it. All right. So there's that. Also, the, let me move this over. This ephemera kit is gorgeous. This, by the way, on scrapbook.com, this was a 200-piece collection kit. So it came with all this ephemera, the sticker, the acetate, and all the papers. Okay, so this is what's in the ephemera kit. And I want to show you a couple up close because they're just beautiful. There's one with, there's a piece of vellum. There's vellum pieces in here, and then the regular. But look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? And there's ones with houses. I love houses. Where is the tag? Right here. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then those houses right there, which kind of remind me of Amy Tan. But, alright. So, there's all that. I can't go through all of those. If I did, we'd be here forever. Alright, the next thing I got from scrapbook.com is this collection called Vintage Girl by Photoplay. Love this. I got the papers and the ephemera, and I think there's a sticker sheet in here too for this collection. Alright, let me move this out of the way. This is just the front. Oh my gosh, I cannot get my fingers to work. Okay, I'll show the ephemera in just a second. So, these are the pages. And then there's the back. We have two of those. And this one. There's the back. And then this one. I'll hold it up so you can read a few of the words. And then there's the back. It's like a, I don't know, you call that damask? I'm not really sure. Then the cameras. And the back is that. I'll show you the cameras a little bit more up close. I'm filming at a weird time of day again, so hopefully there's some sun right over there. I can't tell. I don't think it's on my where I'm showing yet, but hopefully the lighting's not weird is what I'm trying to say. So we have this floral, and then this, and this stripe, and then music sheet on the back. Alright, and here's the sticker sheet. Very, very cute. I think what I'm going to do, I've been thinking about this. You know, I get the Noel kit, which I'm about to show you in just a second. And then these kits, I'm thinking about challenging myself to just use, like, make a journal with just this stuff. I mean, still put my scrapbook paper and all that stuff. Did y'all get to see these very well? I wasn't even looking. I was talking. That's what's in there. There's 30 pieces. But use the, like, make an exclusive junk journal with exclusive, like this Noel kit I'm fixing to show you. I don't know if I'm making any sense at all. Alright, this is the March kit. I'm excited about this kit because I haven't gotten a Noel kit in a while. I'm going to leave a link to the Noel Mignon website down in the description box. This kit, I haven't talked about this kit in a while. I know I have a few new subscribers, so we're going to talk about it just a minute. I didn't print off all the details, but from what I can remember, this kit is a little more expensive than the other kits, but it's because there is so much more in this kit. Personally, in my opinion, and you know, I'm always go big or go home, but if I'm going to get a kit, this is the kind of kit I want, with variety and, I don't know, a lot of stuff in it. You do pay more. You pay about double what the other kits cost. But, I mean, to me, it's worth it. I mean, you're getting quite a bit. So, if you're interested, like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description box. Noel is very nice. Tell her I sent you. Okay, first piece of pattern paper is Pebbles Girl Squad. Got these coffee mugs and things, or coffee cups with sayings on them. And the other side is this gingham, pink gingham. Another Pebbles Girl Squad, and this floral And the other side is this chevron. Oh, and there's your strip right there. The strip on this one was sunglasses. Alright, the next one, Pebbles Girl Squad. We have this green with words on it. Hold it up so you can see. And then on this side we have bicycles, and we have the cute eyelashes down here. It reminds me of that planner I just bought. Another Pebbles Girl Squad. We have this really pretty floral. And then we have this. And your strip is bicycles. I feel like my lighting's not good enough. Pebbles Girl Squad again with these, I think they're ice cream trucks. And then you've got pretzels on this side, and there's your strip. Next one is Pebbles Girl Squad also, this stripe, diagonal stripe. And then we have this music theme going on here. And there's your strip. Alright, this paper, I love this paper. I love how they're using purple now in the scrapbook paper. It's great. This is pink paisley, and I'm guessing it's just number 3. There's no name. So we have this, lovely, and then that side, and this strip is what's on the opposite side. Pink paisley number 3. This one says pick me up. The other one didn't have a name. So you have the bows, and then on the other side the crosses or plus signs, and then the strip is what's on the other side again. I'm not going to show the strips on these anymore because it's what's on the opposite side. So we have this with words, that's really pretty. And then this floral with the black background. Oh, that was pink paisley also, number 18. Then we have pink paisley 19. This confetti or polka dots or whatever. And then we have this, that's really cute too. And then we have cardstock. We always get 5 pieces and around 15 pieces of scrapbook paper. So you've got a pink, a white, a yellow, a black, and a raspberry looking color. Alright, the next piece is Echo Park Imagine That. It's got the looks like seashells. And then on this side we have this. This one is really not my cup of tea, but it is kind of cute. It's the same collection with little cute mermaids. And then we have like waves with starfish. The next one I think is from the new I Am collection. This is a ledger piece. I'm going to have to turn it over because the name's not on this side. So we've got a pretty piece of ledger on this side. Oh yeah. Love it so very much. It's Simple Stories I Am. I need to hold that up a little bit. I don't know. Okay. And this is also Simple Stories I Am. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Okay. And this one I think is, what is this? Pink paisley. So we have this. And then a bunch of frames on this side. Okay. For the bigger embellishments, we got these stickers called Pick Me Up. Let me get the glare off of it here. And these are like a chipboard. Alright. We also got some alphas from Pretty Little Studios in a kind of a mint green. We got some washi from Pink Paisley from the Pick Me Up collection. Hang on, let me get this acetate out of the way. So it says there's 24 pieces. I think there's 3 sheets of this. Not the same. It's not all the same though. So there's that. And then this one. And then this one. Whoops, sorry. Was I in frame? Okay. So then we also got these stickers. And y'all, I don't even like stickers, and these are cute. These are called Lemonade. So I'm hoping you can see the detail on these letters. So cute. Okay, so you've got all the letters over here. You've got some numbers, a couple of exclamation points, and some ampersands on here. That's about it for that. Okay, then for the smaller embellishments, one moment please. We have 2 ribbons. Usually these are by May Arts, and you usually get like a yard, I think. This is a pink ribbon with dark pink stitching. And then you have this yellow that feels like, I don't know, velvet or felt or something on one side, and then satiny on the other. Okay. We also got a roller stamp from Carpe Diem. And this is what it says on the back. Hopefully that is in focus. I can't even tell. Alright, we got some Prima flowers. Really pretty. And, just a minute. We got some rub-ons from the Pink Paisley Pick Me Up. And so, here's one sheet. The other one's in there, but I'm going to turn it on the back. You can see the other ones. Right there. We also got some puffy stickers from Pink Paisley. So, sorry, I was looking at the stickers and not the camera. Then we got some decorative brads from that Echo Park collection. Imagine that. They're pretty cute. I'm turning it to the side so you don't have the glare. Hopefully, anyway. Alright, we also have, hang on, I gotta dump some stuff. 2 sticker sheets from the Simple Stories I Am collection. We have this with the phrases on it. Very cute. Actually, it's very pretty. And then these stickers. Alright. We have these little things, which you can make these. These are cute. They're little tassel bow things. And those colors. We have some die cuts from, it looks like the Echo Park collection too. Imagine that. So we have So Cute. Every little thing she does is magic. Play All Day. And this fish thing, whale, whatever, dolphin, I don't know. And Oh Happy Day. Okay, I also got a little bitty circle deal right there that's got a star on it, which is fixing to get lost. Okay. I was cracking myself up last night because I can't figure out what this is. I mean, it's one of those things you're looking at it and you're like, what the hell? Okay, this is Genuine 100% Girl. These are Flare. This one, somebody please tell me what this is, if I can get it to not be a glare. I don't know. Can you see that? Okay. What is that? I have turned it around. I know I'm being dense, but I just don't know what that is. Oh, Lord. Oh, wait. It's a girl. Okay, finally. Jeez. I'm telling you, I have looked and looked and looked at this. It's a silhouette of a girl. Okay. Boy, do I feel stupid. And we have some paper clips. 2 of them are unicorns. And 2 are fish or birds. Maybe birds. Could it be fish if you turned it? I don't know. I feel so ridiculous right now. I think they're birds. Those, and then the unicorns right there. My phone looks really dark. Alright. And then last but not least, we have a distress marker in mustard seed. Okay. That is everything, I believe. Do I need to tell you anything else? Oh, I'm going to link the Noel site down in the description box. And I guess that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching.